Raindrops gently fall, tapping on my window pane. In the soft glow of streetlights, our love begins again. With every drop that kisses the ground, our love story unfolds, a melody profound. Love in the rain, a dance of tender grace. Each droplet whispers secrets of our embrace. In your arms I find solace from the pain. Lost in the moment, love in the rain. Through the misty veil, our shadows intertwine. In the rhythm of the storm, your heartbeat aligns with mine. Every thunderstorm, passion ignites. Underneath the downpour, our love takes flight. Love in the rain, symphony of devotion. Each raindrop, testament to our emotion. In your gaze I find my refrain, lost in forever, love in the rain. As the storm subsides and the clouds part ways, our love stands stronger through the darkest of days. With every rainbow that arcs across the sky, our story continues, never saying goodbye. Love in the rain, symphony of bliss. Each raindrop, testament, lingering kiss. In your arms I find my domain, lost in eternity, up in the rain. So let it rain, let it pour. Our love's an ocean, an infinite shore. In your heart I'll always remain.